How to fix we couldn't create a new partition or locate an existing one when installing Windows. 1. Disconnect other USB and external drives. 2. Run the following commands in Windows Safe Modes command prompt. They are: start disk, part list disk, select disk number, clean, create partition, primary active format, fs equals ntfs, quick assign, exit, plan B, disk, part list disk, select disk number, list partition, select partition number, active, exit. 3. Move installation media. Run the following commands in Windows Safe Modes command prompt. They are: disk, part list disk, clean, convert, MBR, create partition, primary size equals desired number, format, fs equals ntfs, quick assign, active, list volume, exits, copy x, y:/x/h/k, enter. 4. Switch from AHCI to IDE in BIOS settings. 5. Create new installation media using the Windows download page. 6. Partition your hard drive in Windows via disk management. 7. Format your disk in Windows before using it. Convert for GPT-free. UEFI systems. Run the following commands in Windows Safe Modes command prompt. They are: disk, part list disk, select disk number, clean, convert, GPT, exit. 9. Make sure everything is compatible, from CPU to system.